Welcome to Kronos Lumen, where forgotten moments shine again. History remembers the people on the stage, but today's story is about someone who always sat at the back and still changed everything. This is not a story of fame. This is story of presence. Every morning at exactly 9:10 a.m., an old man entered a government hospital in India. He wore the same faded shirt, the same worn sandals, no ID badge, no uniform. He never spoke too much. Most people assumed he was a patient's relative. Some thought he was lost, but every day he sat on the last bench of the waiting area. Doctors rushed past him. Nurses ignored him. Life moved loudly. One day, a junior doctor asked, "Why does that man come here every day?" A nurse replied casually, "Oh, he just helps sometimes." That sometimes mattered. When patients cried, he bought water. When families panicked, he spoke softly. When people died, he stayed, even when others left. He never asked questions, never gave advice, he just listened. Year passed. One evening, the man didn't come. The next day, still no sign of him. On the third day, the hospital received a letter. It said, "He was once treated here. I survived because someone stayed with me when I was scared. I don't know his name, so I decided to become that person for others." The letter ended with one line, "Thank you for letting me sit quietly in your hospital." Attached was a donation enough to fund free medicines for poor patients for 1 year. No photo, no frame, no recognition, just impact. Not everyone who changes lives stands in the spotlight. Some sit quietly and still leave the deepest mark. Your worth is not decided by applause, it's decided by presence, consistency, and compassion. If you feel invisible today, remember this. The world doesn't always notice the light immediately, but light never goes unnoticed forever. Keep showing up, even from the back row. Thanks for watching.